Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Burger King's application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Burger King application on your Android device, firstly open up your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in Burger King and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Burger King application. To download the application, tap on Install button to start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After installation process is completed, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Burger King application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.